Hey folks, it's Dr. Sam, and I want to give you some tips on how to get the most out of your Stimulation Forte homeopathic eye drops. Now these eye drops work really well at reducing inflammation. They're very soothing, they reduce burning, and I'm very excited to introduce it to my community. I've been using these eye drops in my private practice for many years. So I think you're going to find them to be very supportive in terms of improving your eye health. Now, there are two methods that I like to use in terms of applying the eye drops. The first one is called the eye massage. In this particular method, you're lying on your back, so you're letting gravity do the work. And you place an eye drop in the corner of each eye, like I'm doing right now, and the eyes remain closed. So there's a puddle of eye drops in the corners. And then you take your fingers and you spread the eye drops along the eyelashes back and forth. And then you make tiny circles on the eyelids, the upper lid and the lower lid, all along the lids of the eye. When you do that, you are stimulating the eye lymph, and this is the place where your glands live that produce the tears that cover the cornea. So there's a synergistic effect of using the homeopathic eye drops and targeting the eyelashes and the eyelids as a way, again, to get the most out of these homeopathic drops. The second method is called the eye bath. I love this one. What you do is, again, you lie down, your eyes are closed, and you put some of the drops in the corner of your eye, and then you run the bottle, the drops along the eyelashes, back and forth, from the inside part of the eye to the outside part of the eye, and you do it 2 times on either side. Now, your eyes remain closed. Then you open your eyes, and you're going to get a rush of the eye drops into your eyes. This is highly moisturizing, highly potentizing, and it's going to feel very refreshing, soothing, and it helps reduce symptoms of dry eye. So in both methods, I would recommend that if you're suffering dry eye syndrome, meibomian gland dysfunction, blepharitis, conjunctivitis, these 2 methods work really, really well at not only reducing the symptoms, but eventually they're going to help you reduce some of the causative factors on these eye conditions. So best of luck to you. Take care.